Hey guys, so a little confusion with how to post on our Seesaw site. So I think I had originally said to not post in the journal section, but to post in the blog. But I will show you how to do it the right way. So first of all, you have to log in. You had created a password a while ago, but of course we have some new students. So I did post in Google Classroom how to sign up again. Once you sign up, you'll see this dashboard right here with journal, activities, inbox, and blog. So this is how it shows up for me. Maybe you guys don't have all of those options, but you do have the journal. So it says here to tap on the globe icon beneath any post in journal to publish into your blog. So if I was in journal and I was Hoitron, I would go to the globe to post into the blog. Publish this item to the blog. So what you will do is you will load your assignment into the journal section first, and then, so I would add it, post student work. You can add a photo, a drawing, a note. You can upload video, link, like anything you had done before for your convection, and it'll post in here. And then you can hit the awesome little globy globe, and then it should go into the blog. This is our blog website. No one gave me a cool name, so it's a super boring name, but it is what it is. I also wanted to say I took a quick look at some of your mind maps from class on Thursday, and they looked amazing. So thank you for that. Talk to you guys soon.